This month is often known for being dedicated to and all about love. But February is not only about valentines and sweethearts. Instead, it can also be a month for self-love and self-care. Fostering relationships with family and friends, and loving others. Magical things are about to happen this week. Be ready and stay positive. Let's begin. Before starting this session, please put on your headphone. Love is around every corner and joy fills my entire world. Love is around every corner and joy fills my entire world. I draw love and acceptance into my life, and I accept it now. I draw love and acceptance into my life, and I accept it now. Love happens, I allow it to find me at the perfect time. Love happens, I allow it to find me at the perfect time. Today I remember that life loves me. Today I remember that life loves me. Today I choose to give love. Today I choose to give love. I rejoice in the love I encounter every day. I rejoice in the love I encounter every day. Worry and stress is created by the mind, and laughter and happiness is also created by the mind. Knowing your mind is responsible for how you feel means you can also learn to control the mind. Knowing you created what you are feeling means you can also remove this feeling. When the thinking becomes obsessive, reach out and grab happy thoughts, or count your breath to stop the thinking. You can do anything you want because you have the power of control over your thoughts. Don't waste your day by focusing on what upsets you. Use your power and change the thinking. Look up instead of down. Be confident instead of worried. And always feel blessed, grateful, and fill your heart with love and happiness. Because life is beautiful. Let's meditate for 5 minutes and visualize desires. Choosing to spend 5 minutes with your thought processes and breath can be as beneficial as choosing to go for a 5-minute walk, jog or sprint. Slowly inhale from the belly, then into ribs, then into chest, up into crown of the head. Then gently hold the breath for the 5th count. Reverse this process on the exhale for another count of 5, exhaling from the crown, chest, ribs, belly, pausing on the last bit of breath out of the body, and then begin again. Try to visualize the tension leaving your body from your head to your feet, either as imagining that the stress is literally draining from you through your toes, escaping your body with every breath, or simply melting away. Concentrate on your breath. Breath in. Breath out. 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 Continue with this process. the universe is saying to you today. Surrender to the present moment and trust that everything will unfold in its own time. Embrace uncertainty, grow beyond your discomfort, and break through your limitations. Your blessings won't pass you by. Don't hold yourself back. Believe more than you doubt. Break up with fear and rekindle your relationship with faith. Declare, I surrender and trust. I am surrounded by love. All is well. I am surrounded by love. All is well. I am comfortable looking in the mirror and saying, I really love you. I am comfortable looking in the mirror and saying, I really love you. Love is all there is. Love is all there is. Repeated writing affirmations for 21 days is a program that allows you to focus on a single idea. And using the power of affirmations to focus your energy and attention on manifesting something or changing something in your life. Follow this formula for 21 days. To request your own personal subliminal, follow these steps.